Each year, the Office of Personnel Management releases a survey titled the Federal Employee Viewpoint Survey, or FEVS. This survey gives federal employees an opportunity to confidentially voice their opinion about their work experience, organization, and leaders. The NIH and the senior leaders in each institute and center take your feedback seriously and use this information to inform decisions NIH-wide. The FEVS enables managers to work with employees to find ways to improve your experience in the workplace. So, how do you take the FEVS? OPM sends out an email to all federal NIH employees eligible to complete the survey. To take the survey, you click on the personalized link embedded in the email. This link is unique to you. This ensures that your responses are correctly associated with those in your work group. For your responses to count, you must complete 25% of the survey questions. Once the survey closes, data is sent to an OPM contractor who is subject to the Privacy Act and implements measures ensuring protection of individual responses. To ensure that your responses are confidential, workgroups will only receive results if 10 or more employees in a group respond. If fewer than 10 people in a workgroup respond, or if the workgroup has fewer than 10 members, those results will be reported in a larger pool of information. The NIH receives FEVS results in a form of workgroup reports at all levels of the organization. NIH leadership reviews NIH-wide results. Institute and center leaders review their IC-specific results to create a positive, organizational culture that focuses on employee engagement. Now, let's answer a few frequently asked questions.
Since I have a customized link, won't my results be trackable?
OPM provides responses to NIH by work groups, not individual responses. All results are confidential. To ensure your responses are confidential, no matter how many responses are submitted, workgroups will only receive results if 10 or more employees in a group respond.
How is the survey confidential when I continue to receive emails if I haven't completed the survey?
OPM utilizes an automated system with reminders to encourage your feedback during the open period. This system only tracks if a survey has been completed, and the information is kept separate from your response.
What about my demographic data? I'm the only one in my gender in my work group. Won't that identify me?
Data are only reported at the office level. There is no report that gives out individuals' data, even if sorted by demographic factors within a work group.
Why do I have to take this survey year after year?
It is valuable to have information over multiple years so that NIH, your IC, and your organization can track how their efforts are making a difference in all work groups and at the senior level. The FEVS isn't about scores and response rates. It's about what NIH and its leaders do with the information that helps NIH create positive changes throughout the agency and excel at providing a safe, effective, and engaging workplace for our employees. If you have any questions, you can contact your supervisor, IC FEVS point of contact, or the NIH FEVS team at NIHFEVS@nih.gov. It is important to take this opportunity to make your voice heard, because great science begins with a great workplace.